I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
designed the box. I've got a Pop-Tart Pop-T arrow port in it now.
Yeah.
And
got that alternator. You didn't have an alternator last time, did you?
no.
What kind of sub? Tell them what kind of subs you running.
I'm running the Soundstream T5s, 12s.
On a Soundstream amp, right?
No, it's a Defmons now.
Defmons.
The Soundstream blew up on me. So one of our teammates, Matt Holleran, had the Defmons, and I was able to get it from him.
Yeah. Running 2900 on it, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it is. Just 2900 watts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds a whole lot better than last.
When it's clamped, it gets right around $2,000.
Yeah. So it's almost putting out exactly what it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Not far off, right?
Yeah. I've got it right at 150 decibels now. So.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you good to go then.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta appreciate it, man. Let them know where they can find you.
I'm on TikTok at Coop Life 2016. Richard Ross 2644 on Facebook.
Okay, I'm sure to tag them down below. Appreciate it, brother. I'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right. Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.